Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will take you through how to use Chat GPT. And for those who don't know, Chat GPT is artificial intelligence software by OpenAI and is of course a very powerful tool which is capable of doing almost everything that you wanted from everything you wanted to do for you, from writing content for you, solving mathematical problems, writing a project for you, everything that you want to do. Chat GPT has the answer, and it is such a powerful tool that it is disrupting powerful companies, something like Google, and then other companies that people normally rely on for searching and for research. Like for example, almost everything that we used to do, we have to use Google. We search, we get articles, and then maybe we read through the articles to be able to compile an answer to what we're looking for. But with ChatGPT, when you give it the question, it just writes everything for you in minutes. Maybe you may have to only do a few editing to suit whatever you're looking for. And there is nothing more powerful than this. So for those who probably haven't signed up for it, for ChatGPT, you may need to type. If you want to, in fact, you have to have OpenAI account before you can go to ChatGPT. You can go direct to ChatGPT, but they will still ask you to create an account for OpenAI before you can have access to ChatGPT. So how do you do that? If you want to go direct to ChatGPT, you will have to type this URL: chat.openai.com/chat. When you type this and you search for it on Google, it will come and it will ask you. So for those who haven't logged in yet, it will ask you, who haven't signed up yet, it will ask you to sign up and create your account. For those who have an account, you just have to log in. So you follow the procedure. You just follow and log in. Now, if you also want to if you want to go to OpenAI before you go to ChatGPT, you click on there's the website for OpenAI, the general website, which is so when you type openai.com, it will bring you to where we are. So those of you who want to sign up, you just click on sign up. You can either sign up directly by just putting your details. They will send you a login code. They will send you a confirmation code to your email for you to verify and create the account. Or you can sign up directly with Google. Or if you already have an account, you just click on login and log in directly. Okay, so you can do that. So when you log in and you come, for example, let's say we want to ask ChatGPT to solve this mathematical problem for us. So we are asking ChatGPT to solve a mathematical equation. So I've typed it. So when I click on um, the search or the enter button, as you can see, it is already just taking time to do the calculations and to solve it. Abode. So as you can see, it is solving it. So as you can see, it's taking time. Then grouping like terms. and simplifying the equation and solving for x by dividing both sides of the equation by x. As you can see, the answer is there. So is this not amazing? Just look at it. In within some minute or seconds, you are getting your solution. You don't need to crack your brain to write all this. It has already done it for you. You just copy and you have your answer right away. Okay, so this is just one of an example. This one is a linear equation we are solving. Let's go to, say, we wanted to write an article for us on, wanted to write um, a Facebook ad copy. Facebook ad copy. So let's say we tell it, write a Facebook ad copy for a book titled Achieving Your Greatest Dreams. So as you can see, it is really writing something powerful. This, so if you take time to read this in detail, you see that if you were to think and write this, you would have spent so much time thinking and writing, trying to correct grammar problems and all that. But as you can see, this is something that is so powerful. When I take time to read it, as it says, this powerful guide, or as it says, looking to achieve your greatest dreams and potential, look no further than our new book, Achieving Your Greatest Dreams. This powerful guide is packed with practical tips and proven strategies to help you overcome your obstacles, stay motivated, and achieve your wildest goals. Whether you are looking to launch a successful business, travel the world, or build deeper connections with those around you, achieving your greatest dreams will help you get there. With insights from the top expert in personal development, this book will help you to set realistic goals that inspire and motivate you, develop the skills and habits that you need to succeed, overcome the obstacles to stay focused on your vision, cultivate a positive mindset and stay motivated in the face of challenges, and build a support network of like-minded individuals to help you achieve your dreams. Don't wait any longer to start living the life that you have always dreamt of. Order your copy of Achieving Your Greatest Dreams today. This is very excellent, just so great and so good. So just imagine if you were to write this, it may take you several minutes or probably hours to do this, but you have got this done in just a minute or two. That is very amazing. So learning how to use this software is the most important thing in the first place. And I will proceed for us to go to the third example, see how it will be able to solve this one for us. So this one, we are going to give it, we want it to write a project for us. So let's take time and see how it's going to do it. Write a 5-page project on why startups fail. So let's see. So you can see we have introduction, Now we come to the main points. Of point one to lack of funding, market competition, failure to adapt to changes. And it's taking time to explain all these in detail. Lack of product market fit. Now we have a conclusion. You see, so as you can see, this may not be up to, and this may not be in detail of everything that you wanted, but you can imagine you can expand, and it has done almost 70 to 80% of the work for you. Because with this, if you are expanding, it's not going to be any big work. It will be easier for you than if you were to write everything without this introduction. So it's so great. It's so great. And you can click on regenerate response for it to generate another response for you if you're not satisfied with this response. And as you can see, all the topics that I've gone through, they are here. If I want to revisit them and all that, they are there. And then you can also come to the OpenAI playground. Let me show you something here. So with the playground, there are a lot of customizations that you can do here. Maybe if you wanted to really write the maximum number of letters, then there are a lot of settings that you can do here. But we have the paid version. The most of the options that you can do here is in the premium version, where you will have to pay and have access to it. And even with the chat GPT, we have the Chat GPT Plus, where if you upgrade, you are having faster speed, and then even when there is so much competition, they still allow you to have access to be able to do everything that you want to do. So this is a powerful tool that is evolving and changing. They are releasing updates every week, and you should try to follow up for the latest update. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell. We are here to help you learn technology and be abreast with the latest technologies that will make work easier for you, life and work easier for you, to help you progress in your business. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share this video to help others. Thank you once again for watching. And if you have anything, leave it in the comment section and we will help you. Bye-bye.